Hey, let me show you all controls that you can use on your JBL Clip 5. So first of all, I will show you how you can actually switch between the songs. So with this play and the pause button, you can click on it twice quickly and you can turn the next song. But if you want to turn the previous song, you have to click on it 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we just turn the previous. And that's how it looks. For sure, with this one we can play and pause media, that's very obvious, but also we can volume up and volume down by simply using this button, right? So we can just click here and we can do this. When you click and hold this this play and pause button, there's nothing actually linked into this function. So in the JBL Clip 5, I mean in the JBL Go 4, you can actually rewind songs, but in this one it's not available. So we can only change between the songs, play and pause, and volume down and volume up. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.